e4 e5, knight to f3, attacker le pawn ese-center, bese yena dlala i-knight yakhe to c6 ukudefend ipawn yakhe lese-center. La sizodlala i-Scottish Gambit. I-Scottish Gambit sizobe sesiphoqela ukuthi sidlale ibishop, sibe ku-c4, si-attack le yapawn elapha ehleli ku-f7. Right, uzobe sedlala i-knight yena uku-attack ipawn lethu leli elisesenta nokwenza i-development, because leya knight mayibeka la it's development elungiselela ukukhasela, at the same time i-attack le pawn elisesenta. But asizukuyivikela thina, sizophusha u-d4, sizophusha u-d4 si-attack i-center right away. Uzokwazi ukuthi alithathe le pawn ngoba mayingalithathe sizothatha lakhe, athathe ipawn ulidefendile le pawn lakhe nge-knight, lele lethi ipawn elila i-center lisavikeliwe. So asizukuyithatha le pawn ngoba uzoyithatha athathe nge-knight back, yabo. Sizophusha le pawn si-attack i-knight yakhe, sizophusha ipawn leli silibeke ku-e5, si-attack leya knight. Akakwazi ukuyiyeka ngoba sizoyithatha, noma ishaya nge-knight yakhe nathi sizoshaya nge-knight, then uzoluza i-piece for ipawn. So instead of ukuthi ashaye uzomove i-knight yakhe ayibeke lapha ku-g4, but ngoba i-knight yakhe siku-g4 uzobona ukuthi ama-knight omabili sewa-attack le pawn yethu ese-center, thina siyivikele nge-knight eyi-1, okusho ukuthi if uri-black odlalayo njengamanje ngakwazi ukuyiwina futhi ipawn yesibili. Kodwa sizukuyenza ukuyivikela, singathatha le bishop yethu thina siyoshaya lapha ku-f7 check, yabo. Sithatha ibishop sishaye f7 check, useyaphoqeleka ukuthi adle manje, adle le bishop. It looks like simuphe ipiece nje mahala, simuphile ipawn wayidla, now simupha ibishop uyayidla. Emva kokuthi eseyidlile sizobe sesidlala i-knight to g5, yabo. Masithatha i-knight la, sithatha i-knight sithi g5 check. Uyabona ukuthi unama options ke lapha, i-queen angakwazi ukuthi ithathe, i-queen ingathatha i-knight yethu, but ngoba kune bishop ngeke ikwazi i-queen ukuyothatha i-knight, because mayithatha i-knight uzoluza i-queen for i-knight. Asike sithi uyalapha, uyabaleka ke manje uya ku-g8 nge-king yakhe. Singakwazi ukuthatha i-queen sivele siyoshaya leya knight yakhe, uyabona, sithole our piece back. But kukhona okungcono esingakwenza, singavele sibeke i-queen lapha ku-f3, si-ayile manje ukuthi siyoshaya u-checkmate, because uyabona ukuthi lapha i-knight yethu ne-queen uma kufika lapha ku-f8 kuthi kwenza u-checkmate, uzothatha i-bishop athi check, sizobe sesivala ngebishop lo check wakhe, sobe sesivala ngebishop, ashaye ngebishop, sishaye nge-knight manje. Now uzobona ukuthi sidevelophe another piece, but le yankinga ade ebhekene nayo isesekhona. Uzomove iqueen yakhe ayise ku-f8 ukuprotect ukuthi singabi nayo leya checkmate. Singakwazi ukuthi si-exchange noma sidle ne-knight yakhe thina, i-knight esasekhona lesingayidli. But into esizoyenza sizothatha iqueen thina siyimove, siyibeke lapha ku-b, siyibeke ku-b3 check, checking manje i-queen. Unama options, angakwazi ukufaka i-queen, mayifaka i-queen u-checkmate because siyayidla. But into azoyenza la, ngoba ayikho enye ipiece angavikanga ngayo, uzophusha ipawn kabili ayibeke lapha ku-d5, but sesizobe sesiyidla le pawn le nge-ampersand. Singayidla nge-ampersand sithi u-check alokhe khona. Now akasenayo lo check usasekhona, nambona i-check usasekhona, kusamele avale lapha. Enye ipiece angavala ngayo ibishop, sizobe nayo sesithatha iqueen yethu siyidle nayo ibishop check. Inkinga ade ebhekene nayo isamile, he can move the queen, i-king sekuyaphoqeleka ukuthi afake iqueen, afake iqueen yakhe la, bese nayo siyayidla, masiyidla kuba u-checkmate. Then mayifake iqueen kanje, we take the queen, check, then it's a checkmate because the queen, i-king yakhe ayisenayo indlela yokuphuma kulento. It's a very nice opening trap nale, ungayizama i-Scottish. Siyabonga. Cela ni like and subscribe guys, cela ni like and subscribe.